As someone that has worked in the automotive sector for many years and sold cars for a living, this is a video I've really wanted to make for quite some time. As I always get asked by family and friends, how do I get the best deal at the dealership? Or are there any haggling tips you can give me to get them to lower the price? Well, although this isn't my usual type of video and is speaking more to the general public, than my automotive following, I feel like everyone could benefit from this. After all, if you're a customer wanting to buy a car, it's great to know that these tips will help you secure a better deal. And if you're a salesperson or looking to join the industry, this will give you an idea of what to expect from customer interactions at the negotiation stage. So, without further ado, this is my top 5 tips for getting the best deal on a car in 2021. Number 1, do your research beforehand. The best chance you have to get the best deal at the dealership is to research similar cars on the market and note down their price. Of course, make sure that there's the same specification, roughly the same mileage to ensure all your figures are good. But this gives you the leverage to say, well, I know I can get it cheaper elsewhere, but I'd rather deal with you if you can just match or beat that price. This shows that you're a serious buyer and also happy to leave the dealership if they won't come to the party. Remember, they want to sell you a car as much as you want to buy one. So whilst margins aren't as big as people want to believe, you can usually get a deal if others on the market are selling for less. Side note, if the dealership then agrees and gets to your desired amount, don't be an arse and continue shopping around. You've asked them to negotiate for you, which they've now done. Now it's your time to be good on your promise and commit. Number 2, I'll place a deposit. This is a big thing that us salespeople want to hear. I'll place a deposit today if you can get to my price. This shows us that commitment that we need to go and speak to the manager, and will usually prompt the dealership to work hard on making that deal happen, providing it's a sensible deal. Don't go asking for $10,000 off of a used car price on the forecourt, because it ain't gonna happen. Number 3, leverage your part exchange. If you have a car to trade in, get an idea of what it's worth online via some online valuation sites. Yes, they'll always offer you above market value, which they will never end up giving you. But it does mean that you can go in with a certain amount in your mind, and when it comes to the dealership's valuation, you can say, well, I've had it valued here and that's what I want. And as the money for the part exchange doesn't usually come from the vehicle profit directly, it usually means that you can wiggle this price up a few £100s fairly easily. And at this moment, dealers really want their stock. They're very low on it. So if you have a well looked after and maintained vehicle, the chances are they are going to want it. Number 4, be flexible on your payment options. Sometimes you can get a better overall deal if you let the dealer decide what's best for you. I know, this sounds absolutely obscene, but it's in their interest to sell you a car. And if the payments are over what you're happy to pay, they're not going to be able to do that. So let them look at different finance options. Let them play around, see if they can find another way to make the payments happen. This could mean them dropping the APR or extending the term out slightly. Just let them know that you're flexible if they can make it work. Number 5, if all else fails, ask for add-ons. There will be occasions where you stumble across a great deal and the dealership simply can't move on the price. It happens. If this is the case, don't commit unless you get something from them. This could be some paint protection, floor mats, a tank of fuel, or something else. These things all add up if you were to pay for them separately by yourself, but often dealerships have them lying around and can throw them in to sweeten the deal. So don't leave with nothing. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 tips for getting the best deal on your next car in 2021 from Next Car Salesperson. And if you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more. It's a very small action to take, but it makes a big difference to my channel. So thank you in advance. I've been Jacob Satiris, and I'll catch you in another one.